So this is Levi with Storm Rotor, and today I'd like to show you the SRI 45 that we're going to bring to the product line this year. First key feature is it does have a built-in low water sensor, so no longer having to install an extra cable down the hole for low well protection. It runs on 26 to 190 volts DC. It does not require a controller to run this motor. However, you can install a controller on it for a disconnect, but it's not necessary. 3.875 diameter motor. What I really liked about it is when I was testing is I could get this pump down to 350 feet with a single solar panel. So yeah, that's what I'm most excited about. It produces 5.5 gallons a minute on 2 solar panels and down to 450 feet. We're using 400 watt solar panels for your reference. The pump end is designed with the helical rotor pump, positive displacement. There's a 1-inch outlet on the pump end. The dimensional footprint on the SRI 45 is 47 inches tall, 3.875 diameter motor, and the weight comes in at 28.2 pounds. Today we have our SRI 45, and due to inclement weather, we are going to be testing it with our BK Precision power supply, and we'll be simulating a 400 watt solar panel. But we're going to drop this into the tank and show you how much gallons per minute it can flow. A few features about the SRI 45: it is a 1-inch discharge. It's a helical pump design on a 4-inch motor. Max pumping head is 350 feet.